my pleas. I'll never get down on my knees. No one asked me if I wanted to born into the cold harbor down an early morn. Know what it takes to really care of me, and not to born into the burning hell. 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 Save my soul. Born into the burning hell. Born into the burning hell. Born into the burning hell. Save my soul. Song that I don't know. Took my brother away. Took my brother away. Left me all alone. Granny was beating the shit out of me, and I was born into the burning hell. Born into the burning hell. Born into the burning.
Ja, hallo, mein Name ist Stefan Blank und heute befinden wir uns hier bei Legendary Cycles in Hamburg am Hammerdeich 70. Das ist der Indian Vertragscenter in Hamburg, ein Mega-Store. Kommt vorbei, schaut rein bei uns und schaut euch die Modelle von Indian Motorcycles an.